This is the initial temperature of the water. We will now plug the solar panels into the solar charge controller. Negative to negative and positive to positive. We will now plug in the battery. We'll now plug in the load, in this case, the pump. This is the pump that's connected to the cooler. The water flows from the cooler through the hose and into the collector and comes out on the other side. The heated water flows back into the cooler. We will now observe the temperature change. As a reminder, the initial temperature of the water leaving the cooler is 78.6 degrees. The heated water now has a temperature of 88.5 degrees, and the water inside the cooler now is 85.6 degrees.